To get 1 million views quickly on YouTube, focus on content types that are proven to go viral. 1. Kids songs. Videos like Baby Shark Dance and Johny Johny Yes Papa often become instant hits, especially if they're catchy and colorful. Kids content attracts large audiences due to high replay rates. 2. Challenges and trending videos. If you create videos around popular challenges, for example Ice Bucket Challenge or Mannequin Challenge, you can leverage current trends to reach a larger audience. 3. Music videos. Releasing a unique or catchy music video can get significant attention. Songs with memorable visuals, upbeat music, or even humorous elements tend to perform well. 4. Funny clips and memes. Humorous content, particularly short, funny moments or meme-worthy clips, is highly shareable, helping your video reach a broad audience quickly. 5. Movie or game trailers. Trailer reactions or fan trailers of popular movies or games, especially for superhero content, can bring in millions of views almost overnight. Enhance your video's visibility by optimizing the title, description, tags, and using an eye-catching thumbnail. Good SEO practices and timing your upload with popular trends can help you achieve rapid view growth. On YouTube, some of the most viral content includes music videos, kids songs, and popular trailers. For instance, Baby Shark Dance by Pinkfong has become the most viewed video of all time with nearly 14 billion views. Other notable viral videos include songs like Despacito by Luis Fonsi and Johny Johny Yes Papa by Lulu Kids. Additionally, movie trailers, especially those for superhero films, also generate massive views. For example, the Avengers Endgame trailer had 289 million views within 24 hours. If you want to tap into viral trends, focusing on kids' content, catchy music, or popular movie trailers could be key strategies.